Hello guys, how are you today? I'm gonna show you the Hackintosh macOS bigsur with open core bootloader on running HP revolve G10, which is with Intel HD 4000, and also it's with the Intel third generation laptop and third generation processor. Also here you can see the macOS bigsur, and it's a display 11.5 inch, and everything is working right now. I will share the EFI folder in description. Also the keypad lights are working, everything is working. Here you can see the keypad lights, and here you can see the Wi-Fi is working, everything is working almost. And I will share the EFI folder also in the description, and the trackpad is also working. So I hope you will like that. See you.